Hi, so welcome back. As you know that there was a difference in the balance sheet which was 25 lakh figure of closing stock, and the difference is basically impossible, but also it is very natural because accounting is a clerical work and it can attract lots of errors. So it is like basically programming only, and any difference that comes is like a bug. Okay. So to remove that difference, I intentionally created that difference and let it be that way only, just to carry on to this lecture, because I wanted to show you that almost 90% of the companies have those differences when they are preparing accounts, and there are lots of freelancing jobs on it, that is to balance the balance sheet, and it is one of the most typical work because one has to track all those transactions from the beginning, like from scratch. Okay. So this right here says to enter those stock details. I'll show you just a second. Okay. So we will enter all these stock details with all these stock groups and stock items and go down also. Hence, we will come to the total figure of 25 lakh 45,800, and this will hopefully reduce our difference. Okay. So Tally gives us various features. The features are, it you can name your item, that is a stock item. You can classify those items into groups, and you can classify those groups into categories, and you can classify those all those goods into the go down which they are placed into, so that like there are various go downs. Okay, so that the go down that send the goods will be reduced, and this is quantity and rate. Okay, we'll carry on this later on. So let's now first see how to enter these stock details. Okay, now let's open Tally, and this is the first page. Work in educational mode. Do you know the shortcut? If not, then Alt plus W. Okay. Okay, so I'll hit Alt W and it will now ask me with Tally Vault password, the password that we first created. That password is 1234. Okay, and yeah, so here now is the company, and the first thing we want to do is that we want to change that password right here, because that password is asking us again and again, and as we don't have such important data, hence we can change it. So the shortcut is Alt plus F3. Okay, Alt plus F3, hence I'll plus Alt plus F3. Okay, and now you have to go to change televault. Okay, let's go to change televault, and the shortcut is T. Okay, or you can just navigate, because we are not going to use it again and again, hence I'll choose to navigate with my keys. Enter. Name alphabet company, current password is 1234, new password is enter. Okay, making the new password blank will remove encryption from your data. Enter. Okay, so you have to press enter. Okay, just hit enter. Just a second, I'll write it for you. Enter to leave blank. Okay, now let's try and put enter. Okay, enter. Yes, change. Yes, right here it shows that created new company 10,003. Okay, enter. So what Tally has done is Tally has created a new company, that is, as you'll see right here, if we'll go to alter company. Okay, just a company. If you go to select company, then it will show you right here. There are four companies now, right? The first one is, there are four companies right now. The first one is Alphabet with the password, Alphabet without a password, and Beyond Milky Way and all. Hence, we can now delete one company, that is the star one, which is encrypted, and the same company is copied by the Tally, which is unencrypted. Okay, so yes. Okay, select company, enter. Yes, it is already selected, I guess. Go to alter, click on enter, and in this tab right here you can press alt plus D to delete company. Okay, let's try and press alt D. Alt plus D. It is asking for us to delete. Yes. Are you sure? It is asking us twice. Yes. Okay, now select company again, and as you can see there are only three companies right here, which are, the first one is this ABC alphabet company that is unencrypted, and the second one is the currently we are working in, third is the one that we created in the last illustration. Okay, so yeah, we are good to go, and the tele vault password is now removed. Hence exit all this and select company beyond Milky Way. Enter. It will ask us for name of user and password, space, space. There must be a company by your name if you have created it, and the password should be as per you only. Okay, so this is right, the gateway of tele. And yeah, select company again. Where are we? Beyond Milky Way. Okay, okay, so yeah, as we have altered the televault password, now we'll be working for stock details, and that will carry on in the next lecture. So yeah, see you.